Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here with the COVID-19 update. Our numbers are up a little bit from yesterday. 1,066 confirmed cases, 98 deaths, and we're up to 526 recoveries, which is a great thing. That number's gone up more dramatically than the other numbers. So we're going in the right direction. That way, recoveries. This way, for new cases. That's certainly been the goal. Total cases in Massachusetts are just over 80,000 at this point, right, statewide. Quincy College, which is a great municipal college, home base in Quincy, also has a satellite campus in Plymouth, is offering a $300 voucher program for summer courses for people that live in Quincy or Plymouth. People that live in other communities, they'll get a $150 voucher toward an enrollment in the summer program. So if you're interested in some courses, quincycollege.edu, you can get some more information on that program. It's a great opportunity to catch up on some extra courses that you may need for the fall or for next year in general. Education is going to be very interesting this fall. A lot of unknowns. Boston University has already canceled September. They're moving to January. So a lot of things happening, a lot of moving parts. This is a great way for you to take advantage of a local college and keep your credits going. So feel free to check in on that. I also want to give a shout out to our Thomas Crane Public Library staff. As you know, we have an incredible library system here in Quincy, a great main library here on Washington Street. But then we have 3 satellites, North Quincy, Wollaston, and down in Housnack, Adams Shore. Great locations. But they've been doing some great, creative, incredible programs. Feel free to check in at thomascranelibrary.org and take advantage, avail yourself of some of the great offerings they have. Though the libraries are physically closed, there's a lot of stuff going on online that you could take advantage of, so feel free to do that. I want to thank Mr. Paul Hugh, who has donated 1,500 masks towards the effort. I appreciate his generosity, and thank all the folks out there who have been so generous in so many different ways. And I know following the Quincy Sun, the Patriot Ledger, and social media, just some amazing stories, people helping out one another in these times of crisis. Last point I wanted to make is the federal census. I mentioned it a number of times. We have some wards in our city, Ward 2 and Ward 4, that are behind where they ought to be for responses. One precinct in Ward 5 Precinct 1, also behind where they should be in responses. But in general, no matter where you live in the city, please make sure you filled out the federal census. There was a physical package that came in, you could do it, or you could do it online. If you have any questions, you call our city clerk's office, and they can give you some more information. But that is very, very important for how the city of Quincy receives funding from the federal government. So your tax dollars go to Washington. We try to get as many of them back here to serve our community, and it matters to be counted. So please, please, if you haven't done it, do it. If you've done it, remind your neighbors, your other family members, to make sure they have done it. It really, really matters. So thank you for that. Thank you for tuning in. I wish you to enjoy the good weather, stay safe, and God bless.